What's up? I'm back again with another video today. As you can see, I have Galaxy S10 Plus in front of me. We're going to do an unboxing. So let's get this bad boy open. I got the Prisma Blue, as you can tell by the box. This is unlocked. I went to Best Buy. I traded in my Galaxy Note 8. And I got $5.50 off to get this device. So I came out with a win-win situation. So let's crack this box open. Thing about it is, I really wasn't planning on getting the Galaxy S10 Plus. If you know, I kept harping about getting the Note 10, the Note 10, the Note 10. But I couldn't pass this deal up. So as of right now, I'm currently not going to be getting the Galaxy Note 10. As of right now, because I just picked up the S10 Plus, and this will be my first time ever having an S10 product, because I've always went for the Galaxy Note devices. So back to the unboxing. Samsung always comes with nice boxes. This one looks kind of plain. The letters, the words are a little too big on the front. It looks kind of plain from some of their other boxes, but we can get past that. Slide it up like so. And then inside here, you have your books, instructions that nobody really reads because I don't need them. Maybe an older person will need them, but I don't need them. I know what to do with a phone and how to set it up. But there's your instructions if you need to read them. Like I said, I don't need them, so let's toss them to the side. Now, let's get to that beautiful device. We're going to sit that on the side here. Now, you get your AKG earbuds. And you get your fast charging adapter, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. But you get your fast charging adapter, which is a bummer because the back of my phone is Prism Blue. You would think they would match the colors. It'd be nice to get, if you know, say you're getting a blue phone, to get the blue accessories. I know with the Prism Black phone, you get the black accessories. And then with every other color, you are getting the white accessory. So that's the charger. Then you get the adapter. This lets you transfer files from one phone, from your Samsung to another phone. This will be my second one because I had one with my Note 8 and it's a black. So this is my second one. So say if I lose one, I have this for backup. Now to the AKG headphones, which are nice. They say these are a little bit different from the ones you get with the Galaxy Note 8, which I still do have those and I still use them. And I'm still planning on getting the Galaxy Buds, just not right now. It'll be a little bit before I get them, but I do plan on getting them because I've kind of gotten used to Bluetooth headphones. Having wired headphones are nice, but Bluetooth is the way to go for me. To each his own. So this is what the cable looks like. It's nice, braided, thick. You know, they feel like the other ones. I don't know what's quite different about them. They feel and look the same, except for they're white. They look cleaner because they're white. We're going to put those to the side. You get your ear tips for different ear sizes, but the ones that come with the earbuds are usually the ones that fit my ears. And then finally, you get your USB Type-C charging cable. Can never have enough of these. I have a whole bunch of these from all Samsung devices. Probably won't even use this one because I already have some, but I was just showing it to you for the sake of this video. We'll put this aside. This is the 128 gig And I also have a 128 Samsung SD card left over from my Galaxy Note 8 that will be going into this device also. We'll put the box up there like so. Now, let's get to this lovely device. This is what I've been waiting for. I don't know if it's what you've been waiting for, but this is what I've been waiting for. I don't know how good you can see that blue, prism blue color. I really like that. So we're going to pull off the back. Don't you just love that sound? Now, you can't really see this through the camera, but this device looks awesome. This blue, it's like a light dark blue or somewhat, some kind of shade. It looks gorgeous. And my favorite color is blue. So I have the blue iPhone XR. And look at those two different blues. I just love it. And I also want to show you, I have that blue from the Moto E5 Plus. All different color blues going on here. But I like all shades of blue. This is just like a darker shade of blue. Enough of that. I'm going to boot up the phone really fast for you guys. There is that nasty fake little, they're calling this a screen protector. I'm not really going to call it a screen protector, but hey, I'm going to leave it on there until I can get some better screen protectors. And as of right now, I don't have any cases yet, just ordered some. So let's give this a first boot up. I played with one of these in Best Buy when I went to go pick one up. And originally, I was actually going for the S10. But then I felt the S10 Plus and I was like, if I'm going to spend the kind of money that I'm going to spend on this device, I want to get the bigger version since I probably will not be getting the Galaxy Note 10 this year. I said, let me get the bigger version of the S10 because I love big phones. This has a 6.4 inch screen. There's that little...
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you.
Let's shut her off. But there's that little peel look that they're calling it there. I don't know if you can see that. The camera setup, that peel look. That's not going to bother me too much. Because they have those little cool wallpapers that you can go get and cover that up. And I'll probably do that. So let's get started. It says let's get started. Insert SIMs. I'm going to do that in a minute. Terms and conditions. I agree. Next. Bring your old data to your new phone wirelessly. I will do that. Wirelessly only available. Samsung, from iPhone, We'll say wirelessly. Hit next. Continue. Get connected. It says open smart switch on your old Galaxy and enter the pin shown below. I'm going to not do that right now for the sake of the video, because I really just want to get into the device and show you what it's looking like. Skip anyway. But I will set this up off screen. I like to do my stuff off screen, not on screen. But now I will set up the fingerprint sensor on screen, just so you can see. Hit continue. I'll do a pattern I always use. Continue. Tells you to do it again. Continue. I've heard good and bad things about the fingerprint sensor, so let's get started. Since this is an on-screen fingerprint sensor, I'll probably end up using my thumb. So let's get started. Want me to keep my finger on the dot. Tells me to press a little harder. It's kind of different because I'm used to the physical button as a fingerprint sensor. So this will be, I have to get used to this, but that's okay. And if this doesn't work good for me, then I will do the face unlock or recognition, whatever it's called. But I wanted to just set this up on camera for you people. That wanted to see how it's set up. It says add another fingerprint. I don't want to right now. So that's done. It wants you to put in your email and password. I'll do that later. Skip. Like I said, I'm just doing this so you can see what the phone looks like on the inside. And after the video, I'll probably do like a factory data reset on the device and set it back up the real way to put everything in. So here we are. We are greeted with the beautiful, beautiful S10 Plus. Here is the beautiful Samsung home screen. This is that AMOLED display. You gotta love Samsung devices. That AMOLED display, it always gets me. Now you probably can't see it real good from your end, but where it looks washed out on the camera, but really, it's really not. It looks really gorgeous and vibrant and nice. This is how I want my Samsung device to be. Now, with the One UI, I can say the apps are way too big, so I'm gonna have to go in there and fix that. They're way too big. I don't know why they're so big, but this is what the notification bar looks like with the One UI. And wireless share is right there. So that's a good feature to have because I do currently have a Galaxy Watch active that I can use that to interact with. And I will be doing that. Some other things. This has the dark mode already on the phone, which is nice. You get your always on display, Dolby Atmos. Let's go look. This is what the settings are looking like. Get the different little gestures. So far, so good. One UI is looking good. Let me give you a walk around the phone before I go. So at the top here, you have your SIMs tray that also doubles for your SD card. You have a mic there. At the bottom, on this side, you have your power button, which is placed awfully high. I'll have to see if I like that or not. Then at the bottom, you have your headphone jack that they're not getting rid of anytime soon. I hope not. USB Type-C charging, another mic, another speaker grill there. On this side, you have your volume up and down key and that Bixby button that can be remapped to something else. And I probably will do that because I do not like Bixby. And then on the back, you have your flash, heart rate sensor, those three gorgeous cameras. If you can see that, I don't know. You have those three cameras on the back. And then up here in the peel, you have your two front-facing cameras. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be back again with the review on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'll also be back with a video of pros and cons. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.